Good morning, students. This is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, SDSTPS, AP Genco, Neltur. In this video, we are going to discuss exercise 7.2 problems related to chapter 7 frequency distribution tables and graphs. First question in exercise 7.2. Given below are the ages of 45 people in a colony. Construct grouped frequency distribution for the given data with 6 class intervals. Solution. First we have to find the range. Range means the difference between the maximum value and minimum value. From the data, maximum number is 63 and minimum number is 5. Difference between them is 58. Next, number of class intervals is equal to 6. It is given in the problem. Therefore, length of the class interval is equal to range is divisible by number of class intervals, that is 58 by 6. After simplification, we get 10. It is an approximate value. Next, we have to construct the table with 3 columns. First one is class interval and second one is tally marks and third one is frequency. Frequency means number of people, particular group. First, we have to start with 5 because minimum value is 5 to 14 because the length of the class interval is 10. So we have to write numbers 5 to 14. Next class interval we can start 15 to 24 because the difference between the two numbers is 10. Next 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, 55 to 64. We have to stop because in the problem asked 6 class intervals and also difference between the two consecutive lower limits or upper limits is difference is 10. Next we have to count number of people from 5 to 14. From the question onwards we get 9 people. So we have to write tally marks like this and the frequency is 9. Next we have to count from 15 to 24. From the question we got 9 people. So we have to write tally marks like this and the frequency is 9. Next group 25 to 34. From the data we got 9 people. So we have to write like this and the frequency is 9. Next 35 to 44. From the question we got only 6 people. In tally marks we have to write like this and frequency 6. Next group 45 to 54. From the data we got 7 people in this group. So in tally marks 7 and frequency also 7. Next 55 to 64. From the data onwards we got 5 students. So we have to write tally marks 5 and frequency 5. Therefore total number of people, add the frequency numbers, we got 45 people. From this question onwards, grouped frequency distribution means the table contains class interval, tally marks and frequency. Second question, number of students in 30 classrooms in a school are given below. Construct a frequency distribution table for the data with a exclusive class interval of 4 students. Solution. First we have to find range. Range means difference between maximum and minimum. For data, maximum number is 40 and minimum number is 15. Difference is 25. Next, length of the class interval is 4. That is given in the problem. Therefore, we should find number of class intervals. That is range by length of class interval. That is called 25 by 4. 25 is divisible by 4. We get 7. 7 is a approximately value, not exact. Next, we have to construct the table with 3 columns. First one is class interval. Second one is tally marks. Third one is frequency. Frequency means number of people. First we have to start with 15 because minimum value is 15 dash 19 because the length of the class interval is 4. Next we have to start 19 to 23 because in the problem asking exclusive class interval. So we have to start with 19 onwards. Next to 23 to 27, 27 to 31, 31 to 35, 35 to 39, 39 to 43. Observe here the difference between the two consecutive either lower limits or upper limits difference is 4. This is called size of the class. Next, we have to count number of people between 15 to 19. Observe here, we have to count from 15 to 18 in the first class interval because 19 is excluded in exclusive classes. So, we have to count 15 to 18 from the data. We got only 5 students. So, in tally marks 5, frequency is 5. Next group is 19 to 23. That means we have to count from 19 to 22. From the data, we got 7 students. That is in tally marks 7 and frequency is 7. Next group is 23 to 27. From the data, we got 6 students. So we have to write tally marks 6 and frequency also 6. Next group 27 to 31. From the data, we got 5 students. Tally marks 5 and frequency also 5. Next group 31 to 35. From the onwards, we got 5 people. So in tally marks 5 and frequency also 5. Next group 35 to 39. That means we have to count from 35 to 38. From the data onwards, we got only 1 people. Tally marks 1 and frequency also 1. Last class interval 39 to 43. If we count, we got only 1 people. That is tally marks 1 and frequency also 1. Next, we have to find the total number of people. Add the frequency. We got 30 people. Next question, class intervals in a grouped frequency distribution are given as 4 to 11, 12 to 19, 20 to 27, 28 to 35, 36 to 43. Write the next two class intervals. And the first question, what is the length of each class interval? Second question, write the class boundaries of all classes. Third question, what are the class mark of each class? Solution. First question, what is the length of each class interval? Answer is 8. Because the difference between the either lower limits or upper limits difference is 8. That is 12 minus 4 is equal to 8 or 19 minus 11 is equal to 8. Second question, solution. First we have to create the 2 columns. First one is class intervals. Second one is class boundaries. So first we have to enter the class intervals from the question. And also we have to enter next 2 class intervals. That is 44 to 51, 52 to 59. Next we have to find class boundaries. How we can get class boundaries from class intervals? So subtract 0.5 from every lower limit. We get lower boundaries. Next, how we can get upper boundaries? Add 0.5 for each upper limit. We get upper boundaries. That is 0.5 subtract from 4. We get 3.5. 0.5 add to 11. We get 11.5. So we got first class boundary is 3.5 to 11.5. Next, subtract 0.5 from 12. We get 11.5. Add 0.5 for 19. We get 19.5. Class interval 20 to 27. If we subtract 0.5 from 20, we get 19.5. And add 0.5 for 27, we get 27.5. Similarly, we can do like this. 27.5 to 35.5. 35.5 to 43.5. 43.5 to 51.5. Last 51.5 to 59.5. Next, third question, what are the class mark of each class? How we can get class mark? Average of upper limit and lower limit. Observe the second box. In the second box, 2 columns are there. First one is class interval. Second one is class mark or mid value. Class mark of first group, that is 4 to 11. 4 plus 11 means 15. 15 by 2 means 7.5. Next, class mark of 12 to 19. 12 plus 19, 31. 31 is divisible by 2. We get 15.5. Next group 20 to 27. Class mark means average of 20 and 27. That is 20 plus 27 by 2. That is equal 47 by 2. 47 by 2 means 23.5. Next group 28 to 35. Average of 28 and 35 is 28 plus 35 by 2, that is equal 63 by 2. 63 is divisible by 2, we get 31 and half. Next, class mark of 36 and 43, that is 36 plus 43 by 2, we get 79 by 2. 79 is divisible by 2, we get 39 and half. Next, class mark of 44 to 51, that is 44 plus 51 by 2, that is equal 95 by 2. 95 is divisible by 2, we get 47 and half. Next, class mark of 52 and 59, that is 52 plus 59 by 2, that is equal 111 by 2, that is equal 55.5. Dear student, today home assignment is copy exercise 7.2 problems in CW. Thank you.